How to make pork chops with rice. Pork chops with rice is delicious and easy to make. Here's how. What you need: a half cup of rice, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 teaspoons garlic salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Step 1. To a pot on high heat, add 1 cup of water, the rice, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, and the butter. Step 2. Put a lid on the pot. When water boils, turn down the heat and let the rice simmer for 18 minutes or until the water evaporates. Step 3. To a bowl, add lemon juice, oil, and the spices. Step 4. Add the pork chops and mix. Step 5. Preheat a pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. Step 6. Add the pork chops to the pan and cook on both sides. Step 7. Fluff the rice with a fork. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.